Welcome to PSM First Solution Math. I am your tutor Suman PF. Today we are going to learn the polynomial lesson for the class 9th mathematics exercise 2.5 question number 8. All of you like my video and subscribe my channel. Coming to the question number 8, factorize each of the following. In that, the first one, that is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. This is the first question, and you have totally 5 questions here. The first question I will take it out over here. That is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Here if you will glance it correctly, it is in which form? So here first thing we have to see what is the power we have over here, that is cube we have, and here also cube, and we have only two variables, that is a and b. So there are variables are different, so I can say that this is in a form of like this way. It is in a form of x cube, this is in a y cube, and all are plus. If you see it correctly, all are plus only, so again it is a plus. So it is next will be in maybe this here two variables, that is x and y, having the cube. What is that? X plus y we will have that the whole cube, because we have the only identity which is having the cube in terms of only two variables. So it is in a form of x cube plus y cube. Then next it will come 3x square y plus 3xy square. So similar over here also it will be having, so here it will be 3x square y plus 3xy the whole square. That is equals to nothing but x plus y the whole cube. So here you have to use this identity. So here in place of x cube what we have is 8a cube, in place of y cube we have b cube. So this is the most important thing we have to remember when the question will be given. So what is the thing they have given? Just to go through it, and you have to choose the correct identity. So here we have cube, and we have the two variables. For that purpose it is x plus y the whole cube formula only. So next, what is next? So here I will take it down. So what in place of x cube, what we have actually? In place of x cube we have 8a cube. So if you will glance it correctly, in place of x cube we have 8a cube. Very important. So next one, in place of y cube what we have, that is b cube. Only two variables, so we need only two things. So I will write down that y cube, in place that we have b cube. So we have to find the x and y values. So here I will keep only x. This cube what we have, I will shift on the other side, it will become the cube root. Remember, cube when you shift, it will become a cube root of 8a cube. So what will happen now, that cube root I have to take it for 8 separately, and cube root of a cube I have to take it separately. Now we have to cancel. So cube root and cube get cancelled. So remaining here is a, and here cube root of 8 is nothing but what? 2, because 2 cube is 8. 2 cube is 8. So cube root of 8 is nothing but 2. So that we have got here, that is our x value. Similar y value. So cube and cube both the side we have. So cube if we shift, it will become cube root of b cube. So root and square get cube get cancelled, the y value will become b. So this is the two important things. I will take little bit down. Okay, so I will write little bit big inside, that y value is nothing but b. So y value we got as b, and x value we found as 2a. Substitute in the formula, and that is the final answer you are going to get. So it is nothing but 2a the whole cube plus b the whole cube. So this is the thing I am writing, rewriting that equation. Okay, in place of x I am writing 2a, and in place of b y I am writing b. So 3 into 2a, x value is 2a, see here 2a the whole square, into the y value is how much, b, plus 3 into x value is nothing but 2a. So here we have x value is 2a, and into y square is nothing but the b the whole square, that is equals to x is what here, 2a plus y is nothing but b the whole cube. So here is the thing. So why I'm writing like this way, if you want to verify it, once you can go for that, this cube we have to take for both. So 2 cube is 8, yes 8 we have, a cube is 8 a cube, so b cube is b cube. Here 3 we have, 2 square, so here 2 square is 4, a square is a square into b, plus 3 to the 6a, and here b square. So if you'll go through it, 8a cube, b cube, plus 3 into 4 is 12 a square b plus 6 ab square. So once you see this one answer and what the question they have given, once you compare, both are similar, means what I have written is correct, the verification is correct, so no problem at all. What I have got over here lastly, that is correct, so our equation is correct. So what is that answer now? The answer is simple. So answer is nothing but here 2a plus b the whole cube. So we can write down the 2a plus b, then we have one more 2a plus b, because 3 times it is 2a plus b the whole cube means 3 times, and 2a plus b are the factor of given p of s, that is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. That is the answer. This is the end of this first one question. Coming to the second question, here we have the second question in terms of the similar, but here only one thing is different. Here you can see the negative symbol. So it is, the question is 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So this formula will remain same, that is x cube minus, it will come now minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square, that is equals to 3 times, sorry not 3 times, it is x minus y. So here we have x minus y the whole cube. That is the formula what we have. So this is the identity you have already learned. So first thing we have to see, in place of x cube what you have is here 8a cube, so similar question it is, and y cube we have b cube, and negative sign we have negative only. So that is not the problem. So let us solve for that x and y. So x is equals to 8a cube. So we have to find the x cube, it is okay, x cube is equal to 8a cube. So x we have to find, though when you shift this cube on the other side, it will become cube root of 8a cube. So cube root of 8 is nothing but 2, and a cube it will get cancelled, so it will having the 2a, the x value will become the 2a. Similarly we have to find the y value. So y cube is equals to, we have here b cube again. So negative symbol, don't bother about negative symbol. Why I'm saying here we have negative and here also we have negative, no problem. So y cube value is b cube. So now what is the y value? So here you can see the cube we have, here we have cube, so here also we have cube. So both the cube can be cancelled here only, so y value will become b only. Understood? Or you have to shift this cube on the other side, it will become the cube root. So y value is b and x value is 2a. Okay, so this value how to substitute in the formula. So let us substitute that formula. X cube is nothing but here x value is what, 2a, that value how to substitute 2a the whole cube. So this one we are rewriting it, minus b value, y value is b, that is so b cube minus 3 into 2a square into b, next plus we have 3 into 2a, and here we have b the whole square, that is equals to 2a minus b the whole cube. That is the formula. Let us solve this, means is the final answer we got. So if you want to verify it, once you can check it once. So here 2a cube is nothing but 8a cube minus b cube will remain as it is. Here you can see the 2 square is 4, 4 3 is 12, so minus we have, so 12 it is, a square is a square, b we will have, so 3 2 is 6, so plus 6 a, and here we have b square. So once you can compare it, verification I am doing here, so here and here once you compare it, whether anything is different over here, I think no, everything is similar. So that is our answer. This is only for verification, because your answer is correct or wrong, just you are verifying it. Okay, so lastly how to write down that this one is the answer, final answer. So 2a minus b and 2a minus b, because all cube it is, no, 3 times we have to write, are factor of that given thing, that is what, 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. That is the answer. And this is the completion of the second question. Again 3 we have, let us solve them also. Coming to the third question. In the third question we have here is the 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. This question will irritate some of the students. Why it is irritating for some of the students? Here we don't have cube for the first term. Okay, for second term we have cube in terms of a cube we have. So here we don't have square and here we don't have a square. So it is most irritating type question. But if you will see it correctly, this 27 what we have, it is a perfect cube. So it is nothing but, you can see this is in a form of two terms. It is, there are two terms, means the two variable, no we can't say, but it is in a form of the two different things, that x and y, like that way. Why I am saying like that way, see here totally we have four terms, 1 2 3 4 terms, and for this one is negative and this one is negative, last one is a positive. So it looks like, and one term is having the cube. So if you see it correctly, here we have cube, means it is in terms of something cube. And I am telling that here we have four terms we are having, that is 1 2 3 4. Actually if we have four terms, means here having the two variables, that is x, and one more we can take the y, and we have minus in between them. Yes, we have minus in between them, so it is minus. So this is the way we have to identify which formula it will be. Some of you will say that, sir, it may be a square. No, it may be any other formula also. If it is a square, for example x minus y the whole square, if we have, that time the highest power must be 2, but in this we have highest power as 3. So it is in a form of x minus y the whole cube, not x minus y the whole square. So for that purpose we have to move with the same thing. So x cube we have to write, minus y cube we have, minus 3x square y, then we have plus 3xy the whole square, that is equals to x minus y the whole cube. This is the formula, we have to write it down. So here it is clear. Though now you can see here, in place of x cube, again it is really difficult for someone, because in place of x cube we have 27, and 27 I'm saying that it is a perfect cube. So in place of x cube we have 27. So when you shift this cube on the other side, it will become cube root. So cube root of 27, cube root of 27 is nothing but how much? 3. So 3 is the x value. We found the x value is 3. So next one, okay, x value is 3 we found, and next one we have to find the y value also. Y value what we have? Y value have 125 a cube. So this is also very important. So y cube is 125 a cube. And some of you remember, don't take that negative symbol. Why are not supposed to take the negative symbol? For the negative we have here negative, so no bother about that. In place of y we have 125 a cube. So again the same thing, cube on the other side will become cube root of 125 and a cube. So if you want that cube root, you can take it separately for like this way. So cube root of 125 is 5, and cube root and cube get cancelled, that is a. So y value will become 5a. So y value we found as 5a, and x value we found as what? 3. That is most importantly you have to remember. So I think you don't have any doubt regarding this. Those who have doubt, you can write it in a comment section so that I can clarify your doubt. So in place of x I have to write down a 3, and in place of y I have to write down 5. So here I have to write 3 the whole cube, minus y value is 5a the whole cube, minus 3 into 3 square, so x value is 3, so y value is 5a, plus 3 into x value is 3 and y value is 5a the whole square, that is equals to x minus y. X means here 3, y means here 5a the whole cube. So if this is the final answer you got, and this is for 1 or 2 marks question, and here you may ask, sir, whether it is correct, what I have written that is correct, this one is correct as the given thing, that is this one. If you want to find that, you can make it correct. 3 cube is 27, 5 cube is 125, and a we have that a cube will remain as it is. 3 square is 9, 9 to the 27, 27 into 5, 27 into 5 if you will do, 27 into 5 if you will do, so it will be 135, yes 135, then we have a. So here we have square for this 5, so 5 square is 25, 25 into 3 is 75, 75 into 3, 75 into 3 is nothing but 225, so 225 a square. So just you go through it, this one answer, final answer, and this one answer what they have given. So whether both are similar? Yes, both are similar only. So we got the correct verification. So no doubt at all. So we got the correct verification. So what I have written is correct. So this answer will be correct only. So just you have to go through the final answer. This is our final factorization. So it is nothing but 3 minus 5a the whole cube, 5a, and 3 minus 5a and 3 minus 5a, because 3 times cube we have in here, so 3 times are factor of x, this is 27 minus 125 a cube minus 135 a plus 225 a square. That is our answer. So easy, it is not difficult, it is very easy, but we have to understand the basic. This is also similar method. Here also again we have 64 a cube and 27 b cube. Again it is having the negative symbol. So it is, I think it will be easy for you. So you can try this. You can try this. So see again we have to use the same method. X cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy the whole square. So it is nothing but x minus y the whole cube. Okay. So here in place of x cube we have 64. So what is the x cube we have position? We have 64 a cube value. So what is that final answer? Will be x value will be cube root on this side. Okay, so 64 a cube. What is the cube root of 64? Cube root of 64 is nothing but 4 we are going to get. 4 4s are 16, 16 4 the 64, and a cube and cube get cancelled, a. So x value we found as 4a, and similarly we have to find the y value. The y cube we have 27 b cube. So here y value will become cube root of 27 b cube. So cube root of 27 is 3 and cube root of b cube is b. So y value is 3b. So substitute in the formula, that is nothing but 4a the whole cube minus 3b the whole cube minus 3 into x value is 4a into y value is 3b plus 3 into x value is 4a. So substitute in this formula, and y value is 3b the whole square, it is equals to. So here we have to write on the last one, that is x value is 4a, y value is 3b the whole cube. So last one, this is our answer. It is nothing but 4a minus 3b, 4a minus 3b, 4a minus 3b. Okay, and your written are factors of 64 a cube minus 27 b cube minus 144 a square b plus 108 a b square. That is our answer. So fourth one is simple. So I have went little bit quickly, so you can understand. If you have a doubt, once again you can verify the answer. Once again you can check the video. So if you have a doubt again, you can write it in the comment section so I can understand and I can explain once again. Coming to the last question of this 8th main. So here we have little bit differently we have to use the method, because the question what we have over here is in terms of fractions. So here the question is 27p cube and 1 divided by 216, that and again minus 9 by 2 p square, and lastly we have plus 1 by 4 p. So the same method and the same identity you have to follow, because of identity is same. Cube we have here, so cube only, and we have totally 4 terms, means we have p and q. So here is very importantly, so it is x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square formula identity we have, and x minus y the whole cube formula. So what is there in x cube position? X cube position is nothing but is 27p cube we have. So if you can check here, so what we have over here is here x cube value is 27p cube. Okay, similarly y cube value is 1 divided by 216. That's all we have to understand. So x value what will happen? Cube root of 27p cube. So cube root of 27 is nothing but 3, and cube root of p cube is nothing but p. So x value is nothing but 3p. Okay, so similarly we have to go for the y cube. Y cube we have 1 by 216. So now several students will find difficulty. So same method, cube we have to shift on the other side, it will become cube root. So cube root of 1 divided by 216. So what is this? Cube root of 1 and cube root of 216. So cube root it is cube root of 1 and cube root of 216. If you will find, that is our y value. Cube root of 1 is 1 only. Cube root of 216 is nothing but it is in terms of 6 cube, because 6 cube is nothing but 216. So cube root of 216 is nothing but what? 6. So answer 1 by 6. So y value where you can find, there you have to substitute at 1 by 6. That is our y value. So this is all thing. Most important, these two are important, x and y. If you will find no, that is the easy one method to find the factor. So x value is 3p the whole cube. So y value is nothing but 1 by 6 the whole cube, minus 3 into x value is 3p the whole square into y, that is 1 by 6, plus 3 into x value is nothing but 3p, y value is nothing but 1 by 6 the whole square, that is equals to x value again, x minus y. So x value is 3p, y value is 1 by 6 the whole cube. So this is our final answer. So we can write it down at the end. Before that, you may answer whether the answer is correct. So 3 cube is 27, p cube is p cube, minus 1 divided by 6 cube is 6. We have the cube, this cube we have to take for both. 6 cube is 260. Verification I am doing, this is not necessary to do. 3 into 3 square is 9. Then we have p square as it is. So next we have 1 by 6. So here you can see this 3 ones are 3 twos, I can cancel. So next one, if you will continue, plus here you can see 3, we have 3 3s are 9. Again we have into 1 by 6 means 1 by 6 the whole square we have, that is 36 we are going to get, because 6 square is 36, and p we have, that I will write down at the end. So if you will calculate correctly, 27p cube, okay, I will change the ink, 27p cube. This is no need to do, but for your verification I am saying 216. Here we have 9, we have, then we have here 2 divided by 2 p square, that plus 9 ones are 9 fours are 36, so 1 by 4 p. So just to go through this answer, verified answer, and this question, whether both are similar. If it is similar, your answer is correct. Okay, you can see 27p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2 the p square plus 1 by 4p. It is correct. So your answer is correct. So this one is no need to write. For your verification I am doing this. So you may say that, sir, whether that is two things what you have written is correct. For that purpose I have done this. Only answer is this much only, and this is the simple one. It is not difficult. Yes. So lastly I would write 3p. This is the answer, no? So 3p minus 1 by 6. 3p minus 1 by 6 and 3p minus 1 by 6 are factor of 27p cube minus 1 divided by 216 minus 9 by 2p square plus 1 by 4p. That is our final answer. So this much is for today's class. I hope you understood all the 8th and all the 5 questions. Thank you for watching PSM. If you have doubts, put a comment in the comment section. So see you in my next video. Till then, take care.